Understanding Cartesian Form, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating topic, Cartesian form. This concept is not just a cornerstone in mathematics, but also a brilliant example of how language and science intertwine. Let's unravel the mystery behind this term and make it easy to understand for all English language learners. Cartesian form refers to a way of representing points or vectors in a coordinate system. This system, named after the French philosopher and mathematician René Descartes, uses 2 or 3 perpendicular axes to define the position of a point in space. In simple terms, it's like finding an address on a map using horizontal and vertical lines. The Cartesian coordinate system is made up of 2 axes, the x-axis, horizontal, and the y-axis, vertical. In a 3-dimensional space, there's also a z-axis. Points in this system are described using pairs, x, y, or triples, x, y, z, representing their positions along these axes. Understanding Cartesian form is crucial in various fields like geometry, physics, engineering, and computer graphics. It helps in plotting graphs, designing structures, and even in creating video games and animations. Let's look at some examples to solidify our understanding. For instance, the point 3, 4 in a 2-dimensional Cartesian system means 3 units to the right along the x-axis and 4 units up along the y-axis. Try plotting a few points yourself to get a better grasp. And that's Cartesian form for you. I hope this video has made the concept clearer and more interesting. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to revisit this video if you need a refresher. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.